Hypothetically, if you wanted to build an operating system from scratch, these are the skills and concepts you would need to be familiar with. This is obviously a lot, so let's break it down. First, we're going to learn these foundational concepts. We're going to start off by learning about kernels, which are the bridges that let your software communicate with the hardware. And at the end of the day, isn't that what operating systems are all about? If you thought memory management in C++ was annoying, you're in for a ride. You're going to want to know the differences between virtual and physical memory, how to prevent memory leaks, etc. But memory is only half the equation. You're also going to need to learn how to compete for CPU time and hence do process management. If building apps is like building furniture, building an OS is like building a house. You're going to have to build everything from scratch, including the file management system. The bootloader is like that little program in your head that makes you wake up. It is responsible for loading the entire operating system into memory after the system is checked and confirmed all of the hardware exists. You're not going to have an infinite number of cores, so you're going to have to figure out how to use concurrency and multi-threading to run multiple applications at once on your system. Even for devices that are plug and play, the operating system has very strict protocol on how to interact with hardware devices via Device Manager. Your applications are not going to run in isolation, but they do have their own memory space, so inter-process communication helps these applications share memory and data among one another by sending messages. Sometimes for applications to work effectively and talk to one another, they need to directly communicate with the kernel, and that is what system calls are about. Congratulations, you've built an operating system, or so you think. Something isn't working, and you'll need to know how to troubleshoot it. Security and access control are extremely important to ensure that the right people have the right access. If you're interested, this entire crash course with fun, bite-sized chunks is available on Kaggle Labs, so go check it out.